Hi guys, good morning. In this tutorial, we will see Webview in Kotlin. So how to create that we will see here. So for that, just I'm creating one project. So I'm creating project with empty activity. View. So just we will take one button. So once the user click on that button, we can able to see the web view. So how that is, we will see now here. So let me change here this to linear layout. So otherwise directly once the file loading the page itself, we can give the web view. That is a simple. So that we will do this. So let this code will load here. I'll change this as web view example. Web view example. So meanwhile here I'll add the data binding. So that is layout. Just let's create this project. Okay. So now here we will see the web view. So first we will enable the data binding here in this. So I'm enabling here data binding. So that is a data binding enabled equal to true. So done. So now here within this XML here we need to create a one web view. So web view. So web view has also has height and width. So both I'm giving the match parent. And for that one ID. So I'm giving the web. So then I'm closing this. Now we'll comes to the Kotlin file. Here first we will enable the data binding. So that is where binding. So that is activity main binding. So we'll handle nullify condition. So then here binding equal to. So that is data binding util dot set content view. So then here it is the context. So context. Now we will see the data binding with the web view. So web dot. So for that we are asking that load URL. So here we will paste some URL. So I'm pasting some URL here. So then once we pasted this, for this we need to enable one more thing that is a JavaScript. So that is binding dot So binding dot web dot. So that is settings dot JavaScript enable equal to true. So that's it. So simple with the 2 steps, we can load this particular URL into this. See, now we will see this. Sorry, we need to give here internet permission as well. Then only that website can open here. So users permission internet in manifest file. So now I'm running this. We will see this output. Meanwhile, I'll open the visor to see the output. So it's a bit simple because this we will use in many cases. It's a very like terms and conditions, accept terms and condition and privacy policies. Like those all kind of use majority of the cases we will use this kind of use only. So let's run this. We will see this output. Yeah, once it is done, we will see the output. Still it is running. We will see this output. It's taking too much of time to run this. We'll see what happens here. Yeah, now it is launching. See, once it is launched, automatically the web page will load into this. See, it is not available because while before running that, we not given any internet permission, right? So that is the reason. Now we will run this. Also here, we need to give orientation, right? So that orientation we need to give here. See, now it is loaded. So like this is the web view example. Thank you for watching this.